Good morning guys! Today is the second day after ng buhos natin and ito na nga susugurin na natin yung full kasi nga whole night and yesterday grabe yung ulan no and then tingnan natin kung ano na yung kalagayan ng swimming pool kasi hindi pa to natapos pero naging swimming pool na siya be. Malapit na rin yung oras ng ating working time. Then today din pala yung ni Lily. Yung kaniyang today din pala yung appointment ni Lily guys sa kanyang doktor, di ba last time? Kanang balikin pa tayo November 25. And then ayun na nga. Umuulan na naman yung ating weather for today's video. So check muna natin kasi hindi pa naman nag-alas 8 na umaga. So this is how it looks like now. So sabi nila is yung daw yung ready mix is mabilis daw siyang mabilis daw siya be magahi be. So tingnan nyo be. Nag swimming pool na ta daring dapita be. Dira unsa naman tawon ni oy. Nikuan na pod, nag-ulan-ulan. Ay Lord. Kasi meron daw sino yung pangalan ng bagyo? Si Berbana. Berbana. Kuya wa. So, nararamdaman siya po mo duty bisag ulan, no? So, susunod na lang nato ni sila pa duty sa apartment kasi hindi manjabon sila maka-plastering ngayon sa labas. Hello, good morning.
Bye-bye.
Wow.
Kain sa plano. Raymond.
Saka. Naku, Lord. No.
Wala si Nico? Nico dyan. Jewel.
Alas 8 na.
Letter.
It's
Ilang tulog na lang ulit ay magpapasko na! So the feeling na malayo't mawalay sa ating pamilya dyan sa Pilipinas, lalo na ngayong Pasko. Pero kahit malayo ka man ay pwede mo pa rin iparating ang iyong pagmamahal sa iyong mahal sa buhay dyan sa Pilipinas using TransferGo. Araw-araw Pasko with TransferGo dahil napakataas ng palitan. Kung ikaw naman ay first user ng ating TransferGo ay huwag mong kalimutan gamitin ang aking promo code Pinoy2025 para wala ka nang babayaran sa iyong 2 first transaction. Napakaganda dito using TransferGo ay pwede ka magpadala kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Pwede mo nang i-download ang ating TransferGo application para kahit saan ka man mapadpad o sobrang busy mo dito sa abroad ay abot kamay mo pa rin ang iyong pamilya sa Pilipinas. No worries na sa pagpapadala dahil si TransferGo ay trusted na ng over 8 million users.
Hello guys, good morning. So today is meeting day bago mag-work. Ito na yung ating swimming pool. Siya be? Kinuna na namin ng tubig dito kasi last bagyo ni Berbana, no? Grabe, ang daming tubig na nalikon dito banda sa ating swimming pool dahil that time din is pouring day. So ngayon is bumili kami ng water pump doon sa Inco. So mabilis lang siya kaysa manualin. Maugmaan sila minanuan. Balo na ka. Mas maganda meron talaga tayong equipment. So ito na sila dito be. Charang, mag-meeting na tayo. Naunsa naman ni diri dapit. Hello, good morning. Nag-birthday mo? Daghan nakapula.
Tawag na ko.
Sige.
Good
Ramon.
morning. Present.
Eliezer.
Oh, present.
Jimar. Ernesto. Ernesto!
Good afternoon. Today we are going to meet someone to spread our viruses because I am sick. Okay. I'm a little bit sick, but I already drink my medicine. Kaya kung di ka ma-drink, mabuang ka day. Kanya mo siya. Papunta pala tayo ngayon sa sa ito pangalan ganing resort.
Palm Valley.
Wrong spelling wrong. Palm Valley dito naman ito kuan sugpay. Right guys, kay amnesyahon ako guys. Pupunta pala tayo ngayon sa Palm Valley Residences by Andiamo, Philippines dito sa Zamboanguita. Ito siya, ininbitahan kami nila like last year pa ata. This year ba yun? Yeah, this year pala namin nalaman no na kanang gi-prank ra day miss or that everything is a prank. So na kuan sila na mo like sito ganiman naluoy in short na kuan yan ay ana mo kahimtang. And then ayun na nga nag-offer sila sa amin ng excavator puhon-puhon if needed na namin sabi nila. Then ito na nga inimbita din nila kami to check also their works kung para na daw may idea, para meron din kaming idea about construction. Alam nyo naman na we are innocent, especially all of us. Agnes, you're not innocent, Ag. Kay kuyog naman kanila last nag-construct mo sa or you're still innocent in constructing the house. Kasi mauto kay kanang si Agnes ba dati pa siya nagkasabay sa last contractor namin dati na nagbe-video at nagche-checking kung ano yung pinalalagay nila. But the thing is Agnes don't have the background about construction too. So anyways, in short, we're going there. So we're going to meet him. Then mag-video-video na dito para natay kuan pa ideas what we can learn there, new things. Sa pa mga maayong kuan, mga maayong buhaton sa construction kasi kung nakikita nyo yung ating construction site is hindi pa siya totally finished kasi pinauna muna natin yung pinaka-priority, no? Like hindi muna natin i-finish kung hindi like isabay-sabay na natin siya guys ba i-finish lahat. Like yung mga pagpintal, puhon, iusa na lang tanan pagbutang og tiles like sa restaurant, diba? Tapos na yun. Pero i-stack up muna natin yun. For the meantime, doon muna yun. Hanggang doon lang muna yung restaurant natin. I know, marami sa inyong nagre-reklamo, nagko-complain dyan sa comment section na bakit daw nagpatayo na naman ng isang building tapos hindi pa natapos yung restaurant. Muna na siya among style, guys. So, hintayin nyo na lang pag meron na tayong sponsor kasi wala na siya diode. We don't have diode anymore. Yeah, tata?
Only Bocodus.
So, yung naiwan doon ngayon si Rowena at saka si Lily, dinala natin si Agnes at saka si Mad. Uy! Tulog naman!
Sleep?
Hindi ko yung na siyang natulog. Si Mati sleeping already. She already sleep. So, dinala ko rin si Agnes para meron kaming mga new learning ko ano yung sabihin doon sa contractor. Kasi matagal na daw yun silang nagko-construct. So, meron yun silang Facebook page, Andiamo, Philippines. Of course, namarites ako before ako nag-set up ng appointment for visiting their residence. Check natin yung kanilang
Last time
ginawang
here
bahay
they check
ko.
the speed, yeah?
Nandito na tayo sa Valley Residence. Pinuntahan namin to kanina. Ari, nagstay na sila. Like, ilahan na dyan na siya, be. The other house that they built. What is your Facebook page in?
Andiamo, Philippines.
Andiamo, Philippines. I already checked it out before I came here.
No, they just cut it to. It's just growing up.
Oh.
Hello.
Yeah, that's one.
Oh, it's so hotty. Oh, now it's ganda, be. So, ganda ng door. Look at their door. Like, 18 months na to, ma'am. Yung door niyo. 18 months na din. Okay.
Those I like it.
Oh, a hinge stop.
Stopper?
Yeah.
Oh,
So keeps the door from banging against the wall.
from bang.
Nothing on the floor.
I think it's heavy, like.
Ito yung kanilang kitchen.
Yeah, but the door, you know.
Yeah, it's solid.
Pwede mo open. Let's try. Ay. Ano siya, be? Ano siya?
So all price what we ask about quotation of the kitchen, it's horrible.
And this is how it looks like. Up like the other house, no?
Do you ladies see these doors? The barn doors? We got them on that end too. Yeah.
But this is
Oh, two-way.
Oh, the Jack and Jill.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, they call this a Jack and Jill bathroom.
this is.
Two-way. Ito yung wardrobe. Oh,
But the,
look.
this sliding door is nice idea. I'll stay with it.
Yeah. You know, they got the glass from Rimini. Remind.
I like this.
Mm-hmm.
It's very, very nice.
They're the one who made that.
Oh, this I want, like that floor, I think to make the apartments.
This floor like this.
Like wood.
Oh, it's nice too.
And make it, you know.
Since our wall is white, all white.
In our house, yeah, but like that in apartments, I think.
Yeah, we all have Starlink. So.
Really? For me, Starlink is
Nice
so,
kayo ilang ko ano.
you know, the video.
Ang ato adik to kay wala pa na 1 yearan. Ti orok naman. Nindot kaayo. Ilo. Don't know. It's hard.
No, because it makes sounds now.
Because it's not cement, love.
I
It's
know
not cement.
it's not cement.
And they have also pool, of
Nice.
course, and their unit.
How long?
Yan, may pool sila, be.
It's 1 year?
This is the outside
Like February, okay.
here.
Month.
And,
And you have the problem with your things not working?
yan. Ito yung labas ng yung unit. Nice siya, dili Filipino style, be. Then meron din sila ditong, of course, tambayan.
You know what?
And they have also here the
city.
another tambayan.
You know, fiber. Right. And I have
The doghouse.
Doghouse. The pool, the one who made the kitchen is different.
But you see the tails? We want bigger tails because this is the.
You can pick all kinds of different colors.
Yeah, but like you, the. Tails is normal. It's 30 by 30, yes?
Yeah.
But it's or 25.
And they have
But
also
it's
their
not
own
30
gardener.
tails.
Palm Valley Residences to check or learn more ideas from the contractor there.
And quiet.
Yeah, very quiet.
I scare when I see the map. It's only 200 meters from the main road. Yeah. But it's enough.
It's not
Like in our.
It's not noisy.
Our subdivision. It's 250 meters to main road. It's not main, but it's only you can sometimes hear the cow and chicken.
yeah.
Love that.
We have a lot of cow and chicken.
We have a lot of frogs in the neighborhood too.
Frog.
Was it open?
But it's the same, yeah. Like this one.
The same setup.
We looked at your.
Swimming pool. And he said,
Kasi we want to learn more things about constructing houses, especially our house is our buildings is not yet fully done. Hindi pa talaga you know, Filipino style pa sabi ni Tata yung mga construct namin doon. So, ayun, I'm so happy na they invited us to show around their project. And then here it is nga, yung paggawa sa amin ay nako, very different. Parang ilang years na ginamit. But this one, 18 months na daw to. Look, so, tingnan nyo naman, oh. Parang naka-Pinterest lang, be. Oh, dito si Mati, oh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng setup. But we don't have choice kasi nga, ayun na yung nangyari sa ating, yun na yung nangyari sa ating construction, about sa contractor and everything. And then, no, matagal na, like December pa yung 2024, now is, update now. It's November 24, ay November 26, 2025 na tayo ngayon. So, thank you so much, Jim, for inviting us here to show around. And even if our English is very poor,
No
we still
worries.
understood each other.
Yeah.
Enough to get married with you.
Okay.
The age is expensive.
Well, thanks for coming, and yeah, we'll be happy to help you out. Just
we have
Mom
the.
has contact.
Yeah, I already got her contact.
Okay.
We have the grill party because we're going back to
We make it for
Poland.
the workers, the green part.
Oh, well, before you go back, let us know, and we'll come up there.
Okay.
Four.
It's, you know, it's for the workers.
Every time when we arrive to Philippines and